Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about determination of the derivative. And this is the introduction of Calculus 1. This is intended for the BS Ed majoring mathematics and engineering students. So I have here the formula. Delta y over delta x is equals to limit delta x approaches to 0 f round brackets x plus delta x minus f of x all over by delta x. Take note that delta y over delta x is equals to dy dx. So I have here number 1. The given function is y is equals to 1 over 4 minus x. So this will be dy or delta y over delta x is equal to limit delta x approaches to 0, and then I need to substitute x will be x plus delta x, so this will be 4 minus x plus delta x, and then minus the given function 1 over 4 minus x all over by delta x. Okay, this will be delta limit delta x approaches to 0. Then I need to find the LCD. Over first, I have to distribute the negative. So this will be 1 over 4 distribute minus x, then distribute minus delta x. And then minus 1 over 4 minus x all over by delta x. And then limit delta x approaches to 0. So LCD between these two. So this will be, I'll need to copy this one only. 4 minus x minus delta x. And then 4 minus x. This will be all over by delta x. So this is now my LCD. So LCD divided by the first denominator. So this will be cross out and then 4 minus x. So like this one, 4 minus x minus delta x, and then 4 minus x divided by the first denominator, 4 minus x minus delta x. So this will be crossed out. So this will be 4 minus x times the numerator, which is 1. Then minus LCD 4 minus x minus delta x times 4 minus x divided by the second denominator 4 minus x. This will be crossed out. So I have here 4 minus x minus delta x times 1. And then I need to simplify the numerator. So this will be 4. Okay, limit delta x approaches to 0. So this will be 4. And then minus x. And then this one also. Anyway, I will here to make it easy. Negative 1 times 4, negative 4. And then this one, negative times negative, that will be positive. Then negative times negative, that will be positive delta x. And then my LCD 4 minus x minus delta x times 4 minus x all over by delta x. Okay? So to write the formal form should be between the bar sign, delta x approaches to 0. So 4 and minus 4, this will be crossed out. Minus x and then positive x cross out. So I have here delta x. So this will be delta x. And then over 4 minus x minus delta x times 4 minus x all over by delta x. So limit delta x approaches to 0. So I need to simplify this complex fraction having delta x. So this will be delta x over 4 minus x minus delta x. Take note there is no denominator for delta x, so I can put here 1. So delta x and then 4 minus x. Then this one will be changed to multiplication, just like a over b divided by c over d. So I need to write the fraction or the numerator. This is a over b. Then need to change the operation to multiplication. Then upside down of c over d. That will be d over c. And then multiply numerators and denominator. So this will be ad over bc. Same with here. So this will be reciprocal or upside down of delta x over 1 will be 1 over delta x. Okay, cross out delta x because they are the same, numerator and denominator. Then here, I should write limit delta x approaches to 0. So, in here, this will be 1 over 4 minus x minus delta x times 4 minus x. Then I should write also limit delta x approaches to 0. Okay? Okay, so since I have 1 over this one, so I will substitute the delta x must be equal to 0. So take note, delta x is equal to 0. So this will be 4 minus x, and this will be minus 0, and then copy this one, 4 minus x. So this is now our delta y over delta x. So delta y over delta x is equal to 1. So this will be 4 minus x because this is 0, and then 4 minus x. So therefore, dy over dx is equal to 1 over round brackets 4 minus x squared. So this is my answer for number 1. That's all.